Hello to all those who are watching this video. This is the video for the students of class 12th biology, and Nivedita is here by taking the detail of the topic ecological services. Okay, so this is from the chapter number 14, ecosystem, right? So let's see, means somewhere it is related with the ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem functioning and all. So let's see what these are. See, ecological goods include क्या इकोलॉज मीन्स हमें क्या मिलता है include clean air and abundant fresh water, all the natural processes arising from healthy ecosystem and that are beneficial to the living components of the ecosystem, and these are called as ecological services. So these natural processes involve purification of air and water, maintenance of biodiversity, decomposition of waste, soil and vegetation generation and renewal, pollination of crops and natural vegetation, groundwater recharge through wetlands, seed dispersal, greenhouse gas mitigation, etc. So such benefits are available to all living organisms, including animals and plants, rather than to human alone. ये सिर्फ human beings के लिए नहीं है, ये सभी के लिए है. ओके, ये सर्विसेज सभी को मिल रही हैं, प्लांट्स को भी मिल रही हैं, जैसे कि पॉलिनेशन, एनिमल्स को भी मिल रही हैं. ओके, so ecosystem services are the many and varied benefits to humans provided by the natural environment and from healthy ecosystem. So these ecosystems functioning in healthy relationships offer such things like natural pollination of crops, clean air, extreme weather mitigation, human mental and physical well-being. Okay, so here is a small list of ecosystem services. So ecosystem services are the products of ecosystem processes. They are called as ecosystem services. It includes the healthy forest ecosystem, purify air and water, mitigates floods and droughts, cycle nutrients, generate fertile soil, provide wildlife habitat, maintain biodiversity, etc. Now know why is ecosystem services important. So ecosystem services are the benefits to people from nature. These benefits include food, water purification, carbon sequestration, soil stabilization, recreation, cultural values, among others. The world's ecosystem are necessary capital asset due to the ecosystem services and the biodiversity they provide. Now, what makes a good ecosystem? Okay. So, a healthy ecosystem consists of native plant and animal population interacting in balance with each other and non-living things, means that is abiotic. Okay, like water, rocks. Okay, so healthy ecosystem have an energy source. Usually the sun is the main source of energy. Okay, decomposers break down dead plants and animals and return vital nutrients to the soil. So this goes on nature or in the ecosystem. This is Robert Constanja. Robert Constanja put price tags on the ecological services, and he calculated from the by taking from the modern scenario, he calculated how big services are provided by the ecosystem to us. यदि हम जितनी ऑक्सीजन हम लेते हैं, यदि हम एक ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर का कॉस्ट क्या है, उसमें कितना ml होता है, उसका कॉस्ट हम पता करें, और दिन भर में हम कितना ऑक्सीजन फ्रेश लेते हैं, हम उसको कैलकुलेट करें, तो पता नहीं कॉस्ट कहाँ पहुंच जाएगी और वो कॉस्ट कितनी ज़्यादा होगी. ओके, तो ये तो एक एग्जाम्पल हुआ ऑक्सीजन का लेकर, कि ऑक्सीजन को जब हम सिलेंडर में से लेते हैं हॉस्पिटल्स में, ये इस तरीके से, तो हम इस तरीके से जितनी भी सर्विसेज, जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स भी और सर्विसेज भी हम प्रोडक्ट्स के फॉर्म में ले रहे हैं, तो उनको यदि हम कैलकुलेट करें तो कितना ज़्यादा होगा वो. इट विल बी अ वेरी ह्यूज अमाउंट. सो the researchers have put an average price tag of $33 trillion a year on these fundamental ecosystem services which are taken granted. Okay, which are taken granted because they are free. ये सारी सर्विसेज हमको फ्री मिल रही हैं, हमें भी मिल रही हैं, प्लांट्स को भी मिल रही हैं, और लिविंग वर्ल्ड में एनिमल्स को भी मिल रही हैं. ओके, बहुत सारी सर्विसेज मिल रही हैं बिकॉज दे आर फ्री, ऑल्दो इट्स वैल्यू इज ट्वाइस द टोटल ग्लोबल ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट. इतनी है वो. ओके, तो इकोलॉजिकल सर्विसेज हमारे लिए क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है? तो these are the reasons why these services are very important and we should value them. Okay, thank you so much.